welcome to this lecture. Last time we had word sign contractions which go with dot 5 before it. Today we are going to have word sign contractions which go with dots 4 and 5, and these ones are called compound word signs. We have only a few of the words, and they are only 5 in number. One is the word upon. We have, before the word upon, we have dots for 5 in one cell, and the next cell uses the initial letter for the word upon, which letter is U. So the word upon, we write 4-5 contraction, then letter U. The next word is word. Dot 4-5, letter W, which is the initial letter for the word word, then we have W. Next we have these. Dot 4-5, then contraction of the, which we had in the third lecture of grade 2 Braille. Dot 4-5, then contraction the. That one makes it the word these. So instead of using 5 cells, we are using. Next, we have the word those. Dot 4-5, then TH contraction. Those is made by dot 4-5 contraction, then TH contraction. Lastly, we have the word whose. Dot 4-5, then WH contraction. So out of these 5 words, the first 2, which is upon and word, use initial letters of those words. Then the last 3, which is these, those, and whose, they use dot 4-5 plus some contracted signs. Here there is a simple exercise so that we practice reading and writing those contractions for dot 4 and 5. The first one is, the school children worked hard upon the task. Among the new words we have learned is upon in this sentence. However, we have to practice everything that we have learned, including the contraction, which takes 1 cell, children, CH contraction, and N, which take 2 cells. Worked, remember we learned in lesson 7 the word work is dot 5W, and we add ed. Then also, of course, there is upon, which is a new word learned today, and the contraction, which is 1 cell. Sentence 2, the words in those songs were in several languages. Word is one of the contractions we have brought on board today, which is included in these contractions for dot 4 and 5. So here we have it in the sentence as words. We are to write dot 4-5 contraction W, and we add S. Those is another word we have learned. Dot 4-5, then TH contractions. Next sentence is, these are the days of tribulation. These is one of the contractions we have learned today. So we have dot 4-5 and the contraction. Lastly, those whose work is not complete will not graduate. Today we have learned those and whose. They come next to each other. We will use dot 4-5 contraction, TH, then for whose, WH contraction. As you see on the screen, WH contraction, then we write dot 4-5, then WH. Then of course work, which we saw in dot 5 contractions. Progressive adding few by few new contractions enables individuals to keep practicing earlier contractions. Of course, not forgetting this last sentence where we have by now should be obvious contraction of not, as a simple upper word sign group 1 by writing N, will, and not again. There is a note to take. these word signs may not be used as contractions. These word signs may be used as contractions only if the original meaning of the word is retained. When the meaning changes, we spell the whole word out. For example, the word words, words, the original meaning has been retained. So we use .45, then W for word, and we add S. As usual, you are required to read the same braille displayed. You read with a friend, you read as an individual, and also you read a number of times till when you have gotten very good experience. Then after reading, you write and you mark yourself against that same braille.